Let's go get the level as well.
Huh?
I must get the level, huh? Yeah, I think the soil will be good enough, man. The soil is, yeah, you can smell the waterproofing. Yeah, it's going to be perfect, man. It's actually quite a big space. Maybe we can start the bricks there where the power ends, just there, and come all the way across.
Yeah.
It can be a lekker big. It'd be nice to be able to climb into it. You know what I mean? I don't know if it has to come as far forward though. Yeah, I must get the level. Must get that purline as well.
Okay.